I am having two brothers. She go to school. I didn't went there. First tell me, do you say I am having two brothers? Comment yes or no. Rule number 3 is the biggest mistakes everyone makes. Don't skip, watch till the end. If you are making these mistakes, don't worry. Today we will fix them forever. Welcome to day 2 of our 30 days Think in English Daily Practice with Me challenge. Today we will not just learn grammar. We will understand it, feel it and practice it. You know what the real problem is? Most students study English for years, but nobody correct their small daily mistakes. And small mistakes destroy big confidence. Today we fix that. Mistakes number 1. I am having two brothers. I have two brothers. We use have for possession. We do not use am having for permanent things. Repeat with me. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. I have one sister. I have one sister. I have many dreams. I have many dreams. Now I am talking about mistakes number 2. She go to school. No. She goes to school. When we use he, she, it, we add s or es to the word. Repeat with me. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. He studies daily. He studies daily. It works properly. It works properly. No, say loudly. He goes. He goes. She speaks. She speaks. It runs. It runs. Good. Mistakes number 3. I didn't went there. No, this is not correct. I didn't go there. Now let me explain you. After did, always use first form of verb. Repeat with me. I didn't go. I didn't go. I didn't eat. I didn't eat. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Very important rules. When we use did, after that no second for. Mistakes number 4. He is more taller than me. This is not correct. Correct sentence is he is taller than me. Let me explain you. Don't use more with ear words. Wrong, more better. Correct, better. Wrong, more faster. Correct, faster. Repeat after me. This road is wider. This road is wider. He is stronger. He is stronger. She is smarter. She is smarter. So all correction in one small story. Listen carefully. I have one brother. He goes to college every day. Yesterday he didn't go because he was sick. He is taller than me. He goes to, but I am stronger than him. Now you repeat the story slowly. Okay? He's my younger brother. He do hard work. No, don't translate. Just think and speak. Make sentence about your family. I have He goes. She didn't. He is dash than me. Pause and let fill in the blank. Now listen carefully. Mistakes are normal. Repeating mistakes is the problem. From today, you will speak correctly. A small correction today, big confidence tomorrow. Today tasks, speak 5 correct sentences about your family, about your daily life, using today rules. And comment below day 2. I am correcting my mistakes. If you practice with me daily in 30 days, you will not fear English. Sorry, what I say. English anymore. This is day 2. Tomorrow, day 3. More powerful thinking practice with me. Subscribe now and start think in English.